was like, who is
So
this
I
person?
did die
Oh, where?
in Caddy
Oh.
because I didn't make it.
Dude, why did you die? The fuck?
Because I didn't make it. Somebody literally edited and one pump me.
God. Yeah, where's your car?
In Caddy.
Is it really far?
Yeah, dude, you won't make it.
Damn, dude.
Guys, you should die so this game counts.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Oh, are you really? He really said.
Wow.
Wow.
I
literally said that
and he was already
and he was already building. I was like, wow.
Dude, I just can't believe I bought 3 purple snipers. Like, what? I gotta go pee real quick. Hold on.
Look at the fucking Ripley and Xenomorph bundle. Like, that old ass lesbian. I can't. I'm sorry. But
Dude,
like,
she's cute.
dude, are you kidding? Are we looking at the same one?
She's a cutie.
Dude, the one in the janitor's outfit?
Dude, yeah. I'm talking about Predator though. But yeah, her too.
Oh my god. Tell
When
me.
did it come out? Like, what is it?
I'm not surprised you didn't watch it because I watched it when I was like 13. So you were probably like
I was
going
like
out
21.
to the bar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, go in the
Oh my god, the
past
beanbag.
it. The fucking Laura Croft looks like a wee me character. Oh my god.
I can't
that
wait
is
to
so
see
funny.
what Lara Croft looks like on your Xbox, because on this one, she looks a little crazy.
And the Cluck, the black one, I love that. I might have to wear that a lot.
Dude, you would.
Rachel Roth in those skinny jeans. Dude, is Maddie next to you?
Dude, no. I'm like, yes, thank God. Right?
Why?
Because Rachel Roth, bro.
She's hot as fuck.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I
Facts.
feel like Taylor is gonna wear that skin for like 3 years. Like,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
very nice.
Yeah.
Like it's.
Oh my god, where are you?
Setting up the stream. Shoot a flare right at them. Right at their face. Oh my god. Dude, run away. The dinosaur is right there. Oh my god. Oh my god, go to the left. Oh my god. Literally build
Oh my god, I have
him
no.
on that thing.
I have nothing.
Dude, don't run.
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me, dude? Fuck these dinosaurs. God damn, I didn't have any mats. I was literally just about to build up there. Oh my god. I haven't seen any. Oh my god, you should have named the street
Damn,
Peter's
dude.
fucking washing machine blowing up the house. Dude, I
Why
can't.
does it sound like that?
I can't. It's
Dude, can you
breaking.
put it closer?
Dude, the dryer's breaking too, like the landlords. I don't know what the fuck they're gonna do when they have to buy us a new fucking washer and dryer because this shit is like ratchet, dude. Like the dryer,
Dude,
like you have
Cassie's
to
here
keep on
better.
fucking. No, I can't move the washing machine closer, dude. I'm sorry.
Can you?
Where?
Nice.
Yes! Finally got straight that fucking emote.
Wow.
I got
Nice.
Wow.
one of the two.